Planning a trip to Sri Lanka? Want the freedom to explore this beautiful island at your own pace? Great news! Now getting a temporary driving license in Sri Lanka is easier than ever. The Sri Lankan government has just launched a brand new Department of Motor Traffic, or DMT counter right inside Bandaranaike International Airport, BIA. This means you can apply for a Sri Lankan driving license as soon as you land. If you're a foreign visitor, you'll need a valid Sri Lankan license to drive here. Instead of going through long processes in the city, now you can get it quickly at the airport, saving you time and hassle. Okay, so here's how it works. First, bring your passport, visa, and your home country or international driving license with you. Next, just head over to the DMT counter in the arrivals terminal. Then, submit your details, pay the fee, and get approval. And hey, your license will be valid for your entire stay in Sri Lanka. No more waiting, just land, apply, and hit the road. Now you can explore Sri Lanka's stunning beaches, lush hills, and ancient cities all on your own schedule. So are you ready for your Sri Lankan adventure? Don't forget to check out this new service when you arrive. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Safe travels.